So it's been a month so far since I've started working as an HTML email developer, and in this video I want to talk about how it's going so far and what it's like. So I just want to start out by saying that every video, or most of the videos that I've watched from other developer YouTubers who have talked about what their first week or first month on a job is like as a developer, it's pretty spot on. So the first couple of days, I would say my first day, I basically just sat on my computer and downloaded my browsers and my editors that I needed, you know, just basically setting stuff up. And the first day or two, I was basically just doing that and getting familiar with the program that we use to send out emails. And after I got familiar with that, I was basically, my first and second week, I was getting trained by one of the web developers, was training me on the process of how things are done and how the emails program works, and about some special code that we use with our emails to get like dynamic names to show up and stuff like that. So yeah, basically the first week or so I was just sitting on my computer, and just so you know, because some people have asked, my job currently and the job I had before this, they both asked if I wanted a PC or a Mac. So keep in mind that you might have a choice over which operating system and computer that you want to go with. So keep that in mind. That's going to vary company to company, but sometimes they let you pick, which makes sense because they want you to be the most productive you can. So this isn't my first job that I've done coding for emails at before, but there's actually a lot of things that I learned so far at this particular job, because they're more focused on how to not get emails sent to the spam folder and stuff like that, just basically best practices. And I was something to think about if you're not already aware. Email best practices and web development best practices are not the same. As a matter of fact, web development best practices all go out the window when it comes to coding emails, because the support and each email service provider is so different. Like, Microsoft Outlook is the worst. It's kind of like the Internet Explorer of email service providers, and you're always going to have to do like some weird hacking to get your emails to work in all or most email service providers. So keep that in mind, that it's all best practices go out the window. Like, it's a lot of hacking. So yeah, there's that, and yeah, basically just coding emails, sending them out has been my first month. I typically do about 4 emails a week for the first couple of weeks, and then in my downtime, I would work on taking our email templates and converting them over to a responsive template. So that's what I'm doing in my downtime, but emails have kind of picked up, and now I'm doing about 8 a day. So it's definitely picked up from the 1 a day that I was doing previously. And yeah, I think that's basically it. I can't think of anything else, but if you have any questions on what it's like to work as an email developer, or any questions on how to get a job as an email developer, definitely leave it down in the comments. I respond to every comment. And this channel just hit 100 subscribers, and I just wanted to thank everybody. And in my next video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of a Udemy course. I think I'm going to do the Web Developer Bootcamp with Cold Steel. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway with that. So definitely subscribe if you don't want to miss that, and like this video and share, and I'll see you next time.